Hello students, welcome to SLV e-learning. This is Manikanta, our social faculty. Today I am here to take the session of 9th class social studies, chapter number 1, part 2. Chapter name is Our Earth. Before going to start the class, we will summarize the previous class. In your previous class, you studied about introduction of the earth only. Introduction of the earth. Let's recall. Introduction of the earth. Earth. Earth, the word comes from Greek word earth, means ground, soil, dry land. In Indian languages have multiple words of the earth. In Sanskrit, Bhumi, Prudvi, Dharani, Avani, etc. Earth is believed to be in existence from 450 million years. And human beings arrived on the earth about 1 lakh years ago. Human beings are arrived 1 lakh years ago. In our solar system, Earth is the third planet, and the distance between the Earth and Sun is about 150 million kilometers. Earth is a rocky planet with its surface covered with mountains, valleys, plains, and etc. Earth is a storehouse of resource, but the human beings have been exploiting our planet. Human beings are exploiting our planet with the improper use of nature, of our natural resources. Natural resources like soil, water, air. These all are natural resources. But human beings are exploiting with improper use of natural resources. Through the destructions of forests, rivers, hills, animals, etc. The result of our carelessness led to the evolution of many environmental crises like global warming and pollution of air, pollution of soil, pollution of water. Okay, let us know some important facts about our universe, the sun and the earth. Okay, facts about universe. In the past, for almost thousands of years, human beings were trying to understand objects like the stars, the sun, the moon, and the planets, how they are related to us. In that time, human beings are very fascinating to see the celestial objects on the sky. They are trying to understand the relationship between these all objects. Okay, now in that time people said that earth is the stationary and all other objects revolve around it. They assume earth is in the middle of the sky and all the planets include sun and moon are revolves around it. But later scientists declared that the earth is not in the center of the everything and said it moves around the sun, which revolves on itself. They even point out stars are actually part of the large groups called galaxies. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. Now of the view of the universe itself started some 3.7 billion years ago with a big bang. They even point out stars are actually part of large groups called galaxies. In the universe, there exist millions of galaxies. Millions of galaxies. Now they are of the view that the universe itself started some 13.7 billion years ago with a big bang, and that it may end several billion years later. The universe evolved as a group of galaxies, which each galaxy is being formed a many stars, planets, etc. Today human beings are investigating. Human beings have even landed on the moon. Spaceships have landed on the nearby planet Mars, and some have even gone beyond the end of our solar system from the Earth. We are investigating and try to understand the actual phenomena of universe. Earth as a planetary body. The Earth rotates on its own axis and goes around the Sun in a definite orbit. Orbit. What is orbit? Orbit is the path of the Earth around the Sun. Actually, the Earth orbit is nearly circular, but Earth moves in the elliptical orbit because the path of the direction is in the shape of elliptical. Okay? No. The average distance between the Sun and the Earth is 149.5 million kilometers. But sometimes Earth goes farthest position from the Sun. In that time, the distance between the Earth and Sun is 152 million kilometers. This is called aphelion, and it occurs on July 4th. Sometimes Earth goes closest position from the Sun. In that time, the distance is 147 million kilometers. This is called perihelion, and it occurs on June 3rd. Okay. Now, the Earth travels around the Sun at the speed of 107,200 kilometers per hour. At this speed, it takes 365 days to complete one revolution. This revolution is called as year. Okay. Thanks for watching.